Did you know that Ukraine has managed to strike deep into the territory of Russia using Western-supplied weapons? That's right, and today, I'm diving into how this strategic move is reshaping the dynamics on the battlefield. As tensions continue to escalate in Eastern Europe, Ukraine's military has leveraged advanced arsenal provided predominantly by the United States and its European allies. These weapons aren't just run-of-the-mill, they include sophisticated drones, long-range artillery systems like the HIMARS, and cutting-edge anti-aircraft systems. First up, let's talk about the HIMARS, or High-Mobility Artillery Rocket Systems. These bad boys have become game-changers. Why? Because of their precision and extended range, allowing Ukrainian forces to hit targets nearly 70 kilometers away. That's about the distance from Washington, D.C. to Baltimore. Now, onto drones. Ukraine has used a variety of drones, but the Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 stands out. It's not just a surveillance drone, it's equipped to carry and deploy bombs, making it a critical asset for long-distance strikes. What does this mean for the conflict? Well, these high-tech tools have enabled Ukraine to carry out precise strikes on military targets deep inside Russian territory, which were previously out of reach. This not only dampens morale, but also disrupts supply lines and command structures. Moreover, the strategic use of Western weapons has broader implications. It signals strong international support for Ukraine, complicates Russia's military responses, and possibly alters their tactics and strategies moving forward. However, it's essential to understand that this isn't just about hardware. The success of these operations also hinges on intelligence, planning, and the element of surprise. Each strike requires meticulous preparation to maximize impact and minimize collateral damage. In conclusion, by integrating Western weapons into their arsenal, Ukraine has not only extended its reach, but also added a layer of sophistication and unpredictability to its military strategy. As this conflict continues to unfold, the international community watches closely, aware that the outcomes here could redefine modern warfare. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into military strategies and technological advancements shaping our world.